You're not busy. You're scared. And every second you keep scrolling, another piece of your life dies. You think procrastination is laziness? Wrong. It's emotional cowardice. Your brain picks the cheap pain of distraction over the sharp terror of possible failure. So you doom scroll while the dream you swear you want quietly rots. You're addicted to someday. I'll start when I feel ready. That feeling never comes. You're waiting for permission that only arrives after you move. You've already burned years on that fairy tale. Every later is a vote for the version of you that never existed. The fit you, the bold you, the free you. They just lost another election because you hit remind me tomorrow. Here's the only shift that actually works. Stop negotiating with fear. From this second on, live by the 60-second rule. Whatever you're avoiding, give it the next 60 seconds of real action. No planning, no perfecting. Action, send the message. Do the rep. Write the shitty first line. 60 seconds is too short for your brain to freak out and sabotage you, but long enough to kill the excuse. Do it once and you'll taste blood in the water. Do it 10 times and the old coward is dead. Keep doing it, and the life you keep jerking off to in your head finally gets oxygen. So right now, pause me. Set a 60-second timer. Start the one thing you've been dodging for weeks. Do it before this video ends, or admit you're choosing to stay small, stuck, and silently dying inside. Clock's ticking. Move, or keep watching your life rot from the sidelines like you all